Hello, welcome to Start Learn English with Mr. Yan. This part I'm going to teach you how to introduce your name. Actually, there are many ways that we can use when we are going to introduce or mention our name. But in this case, I find that there are some people use in the same ways, like mention, my name is. Actually, there are many ways that we can use in introducing our name. So, like for example, we can use I am. You can mention your complete name, and then you can mention also your whole name or short name, nickname. Like my name is blah blah blah. You can call me I am blah 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 blah. Just call me blah blah blah. Okay. And in another way, we can mention, like, we can introduce our name by saying, my full name is blah, blah, blah. And then the next is you can say, just call me Y-A-N, Yan. Or call me blah, blah. Or you can mention, please call me blah, blah, blah. So, not only we just focus on my name is blah blah blah, and you can also use like my complete name is, but call me or just call me or call me please, like that. So in studying English is that you can use it in a simple way. Don't too much or overthinking about how to improve your English level or English skill, but you have to think about it. It is the easy way that we can find. When you stuck on one way, you can find another way to more improve your English level. So here is the I use this way to improve my English skills. So when I really don't understand this way, I have to change another way. So actually, if we focus on studying or learning English, there are many ways that will teach us. So you can use it. So, and thank you for this video, for watching this video, because this is the end of the video, and then this is my ways that I can share you to improve and how introduce your name to other people, and in many ways, not only mention my name is blah blah blah, call me blah blah blah, but you can after watch this video you can use another way from this video. Thank you.